Good afternoon, this is Pam O'Keefe, and we are looking at QuickBooks reports, in particular the Inventory Valuation Summary Report. We're using the QuickBooks textbook, and on number 3 we're being asked to print the Inventory Valuation Summary Report in landscape orientation. So I already have QuickBooks open. I'm going to close this so that I can show how I actually got into this. When QuickBooks starts, I have the lovely flow charts, so I click on Reports, Report Center, and it takes a few seconds to boot up, but I come over here to Inventory and click on that, and we want the Inventory Valuation Summary, so we double click, and here we go. So I've got my Inventory Valuation Summary. Now I want to double check this date and make sure we're looking at the right date. Right here it says December 15th, 2022. And this is December 15th, 2022. So we want to print this, the report, as a landscape. So I can see here the orientation is already set to landscape. If it had been set to portrait, I just have to click over here. I'm going to print it to my computer, so it's essentially saving it as a file. Click on Print. And Microsoft Print to PDF is in process. Now, I've practiced this a couple of times, so I'm going to save this to my Chapter 1 Landscaping. Oops, misspelled it. Inventory Valuation Summary. So I don't want to do that. I want to spell this right. So let's fix that. Now save Chapter Landscaping Inventory Valuation Summary. And I'll wait for this to finish printing. It's just one page. 2 pages. There we go. Now I'm going to come over here to my folder, open up the one that's spelled correctly, and just make sure that it printed landscape, which it should have. I have a lot of Larry's landscape going on here. Much practicing. Here we go. Adobe's opening for me. And I am looking at the full page here, so I can see clearly that it is printed in landscape. And I've got 2 pages here. Now the initial question asked about what the description was for the pump. It's right here. Fountain pump. Let's make this a little bigger. Fountain pump number 198-30. The retail value is $3,600. And if I come up here, I can see that the average cost is $53.94. Thanks for being with me while I save this to landscape.